Now let's do the look to the next chapter. As you know, consumer price index of CPI. Usually the cost of living is chapter 6 plus. So let's discuss these questions now. Can we zoom this one? We're going to zoom this one. Yes, here we go. So, which do you think has greater effect on the consumer prices? A 10% increase in the price of chicken or 10% increase in the price of caviar? Why? So chicken or caviar, 10% increase in the price of chicken will affect more on CPI consumer index than caviar, because caviar is not necessity good and is not included to our basket, but chicken is the food that we usually consume. That's why 10% increase in the price of chicken will affect our consumer price index or CPI. Describe the three problems making consumer price index imperfect measure of cost of living. So there are three problems. First one, it is what was the first one? It is substitution bias, that people buy the product which is out of the basket. Second one, introduction of new products. When new products are introduced, government does not include this product to the basket. Third one, unmeasured quality change. When quality changes and prices also change, the government does not measure the quality. That's why we have three main problems, which is decreasing the guarantee of calculations of what CPI or basket. Again, let's repeat. It is substitution bias, introduction of new good, and unmeasured quality change. Next one. Describe the three problems that make the consumer price index imperfect. Yes, we have answered this one. If the price of Navy submarine rises, is the consumer price or GDP deflate affected more? Why? If the price of submarine rises, GDP deflate are affected more than, because Navy submarine is not in our basket. It is more related with GDP, general goods and services, which are produced inside the country, not it is consumer goods. Navy submarine is not consumer goods. That's why it will affect GDP deflator rather than CPI. Over a long period of time, the price of candy bar rose from 0.10 to 0.60. Over the same period of consumer price, it rose from 100 and 100. Adjusted for overall, how much the price of candy bar changed? So over a period of time, the price of candy bar rose from 0.10 to 0.60. Consumer price rise from 150 to inflation. How much candy bar change? So how do we call? Nominal GDP divided by a real GDP multiplied by 100. We can find GDP deflator. Explain the meaning of nominal interest rate and real interest rate, how they are related. So nominal interest rate that banks are offering. Real interest rate is nominal interest rate minus inflation rate. They are we will find the real interest rate. So let's try to solve this problem. Problem 4, really interesting. Or sorry, sorry. I am sorry. Here we go. Let's draw something here. Let's draw something here. Let's draw something here. We go. So over the period of time, the price of candy bar rose from So price rose from 0.10 to 0.60, or the same period consumer price index CPI rose from 150 to 300. Some price of candy bar changed. CPI CPI 2 minus CPI 1, CPI 2 minus CPI 1 divided by CPI 1 multiplied by 100. So by using this formula, we can find the what change in inflation we can find here.